Ready? Are we on? Are we recording?
We're totally on. We're recording.
Oh, we are.
It's great. Where have you been?
Oh, crap. I'm here.
I'm here.
Oh!
Say what? Do we have Miss Newsom here today?
Yes, Miss Newsom's joining in today.
We actually also have another very special guest star. Reagan, can you say hi? Yay! Reagan is Miss Newsom's amazing, wonderful daughter. She's actually here visiting with us today.
She's actually helping us come up with these inequalities and equations.
She is, and actually, she's going to a school that some of you guys went to. Oh, Miss
Shout out to
Greenfield.
Greenfield.
Yeah. Okay, anyways, your learning target today and your topic today were writing and solving inequalities and equations. We will write and solve equations and inequalities by doing inverse operations.
Yes, this is the same one from last time. We just added equations on.
Don't tell anyone.
I think they noticed, but it's okay.
So, we've got the first
I do
problem.
this
I guess.
Thank you.
Oh, she's taking my job.
I am. Okay, here we go. So, before we do anything, distributive property. Don't forget, you have to distribute the first one into the first one, and then, of course, with the second one. So, negative 2 times x, negative 2x, negative 2 times a positive 1 is negative 2. Okay, and then we've got negative 2x plus 5. Notice how nothing changed on this side. I just brought it down.
Perfect.
Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do whatever I want to do, which I don't want to do the variable first.
Oh.
Breaking the law. But it's okay, because either way.
Do the variable first.
Fine.
I'm sorry, you have to do the variable first on this one.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't. No, you don't. I promise, you don't. Here we go. So this goes away, you're left with negative. What in... I think you wrote this problem down wrong.
Hold on. Why does that say negative 2 equals 5? Miss Green, negative 2 cannot equal 5.
Oh, okay. I have to reevaluate my work. Let me see. Did I make any mistakes? Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times x. No.
You know what?
Oh, my God.
There is no solution. Holy wait. Are you telling me there cannot be a solution in a problem?
Yeah, and you know, sometimes I see that thing that says, that's why we should all love math, because it shows that every problem has a solution. Psych!
Well, actually, it has a solution. You know what its solution is?
No
solution.
So don't freak out. Now, this is the important part. This is where you're like, oh my gosh, I made a mistake. Reevaluate your work. Try putting in some values. You will see that there's no solution for this problem.
There's absolutely not. I mean, if you put in like 5, it's going to turn out as something funky.
Did it blow your mind? I'm sure it did.
Blown. Ready for the next one?
Here we
Can
go.
I do the next one?
Yes, please.
Okay, we've got 4 times x plus 3 minus 4 equals 8 times 1/2 x plus 1. So we're going to do our distributive property here. We've got 4x plus 12 minus 4 equals, distributive property here, 8 times 1/2 is 4x plus 1. I'm going to combine like terms over here. 4x plus 8 equals 4x plus 1. I'm sorry, this was, wait. Miss Green, you did this earlier today, and you forgot to distribute this one, and I did it and forgot to distribute.
That is hilarious.
That's hilarious. Like, you guys, you have no idea. She actually did this earlier, and I fixed her.
Exact same thing, and I put a 1, and then she
Exact same mistake.
That's what happens.
So this is really 4x plus 8. Now, I am going to eliminate my variable. I've got 4x minus 4x. Wait, my x's have all disappeared, and 8 equals 8. Wait, what?
Okay.
But 8 does equal 8. So that's true.
Oh my gosh, I bet you it's the same thing as 1 equals to 1 or 2 equals to 2.
5.5 equals to 5.5?
I can
Wait, hold on. Pi equals pi?
I have an infinite
I like pie.
amount
Pie's yummy. Can we go get
Sorry.
of answers.
If y'all have a pie party, invite me.
pie?
We have an infinite amount of answers. That means it could be anything. Whatever you put into this x, whatever you put into this, as long as it's the same one, it's going to work.
What's really cool is if you grab a calculator right now and actually try and put it in. Put in whatever your favorite number is. Put in negative pi. Put in pi. Put in 3.15798. Put in 2.5. It's going to work.
It's going to work.
One thing I like to say, the answer is all real numbers.
There you go.
As long as it's real and not imaginary, it's going to work.
Works. Okay, real quick. It bothered me when she said I couldn't do it earlier, so I'm just going to have to show you. If I wanted to, I just want to show you, if I wanted to, it's going to work. That's going to cancel out. I'm left with negative 2x on this side, negative 2x plus 7. I'm going to add my 2x, add my 2x.
You just have 0.
That goes away, but I'm
I
still going
know.
to show that x 0 equals to 7. Does that equal? No, that means there is no solution. So for her students, who may want to be, you know, on my side just a little bit and want to do the...
My students already like you most of the time anyway.
No, come on. Okay, so if you all want to
like me
do...
better.
It just depends on what you feel most comfortable with. Because to me, I'll do the variable, but sometimes I'll do the constant. So either, I just want to show
The
you that.
only thing you have to be really cautious about, when this goes away, you have to remember to put that 0. Otherwise, you do come across a problem. Because then you'd like, wait, hold on, there's nothing there. There is something.
Right.
It's 0. Nothing is 0.
Right.
0, nothing. Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Moving on.
Moving on. Okay. Miss Newsom ate 9 goldfish every class period, plus 15 at breakfast. Yes, she likes her goldfish. Miss Groves ate 7 goldfish every class period, plus 20 at breakfast. How many class periods will it take for Miss Newsom to eat more goldfish than Miss Groves? So let's look at this. We've got to create the equation. We've got 9 goldfish every class period, so 9x plus 15. We want to know for Miss Newsom to eat more goldfish. Is this going to be an equals, or is it going to be...
It's going to be... No, that's definitely an inequality. Because
Okay.
this is more than...
So we want who,
more.
Miss Newsom or Miss Groves, to have more?
It says Miss Newsom.
I'll
Okay,
eat more.
so Miss Newsom needs to be greater than. And I had 7 goldfish every class period, plus 20 at breakfast.
Okay.
So that's my equation, or my inequality. She kept getting on to me about that last time.
Yes.
And I've got 9x plus 15 is greater than 7x plus 20. We are going to, fine, for you, eliminate the, we're going to eliminate the variable first. I was going to do the, minus 7x. So 2x plus 15. Oh, I just realized you're not, I'm sorry, I'm paying attention to what's going on in the background and not paying attention to the camera.
Miss
We're not doing anything.
Miss Green and
We're
Miss
dabbing.
Newsom
We're
are
dabbing.
dabbing in the background, just so you know. Hey, if any of you classes get 100% on these videos, we'll totally all dab for you on video.
I might even whip.
Oh, Miss Newsom's throwing it in. She's totally going to whip. So we've got 2x plus 15 is greater than 20.
I'll do the
I'm going
Roger
to subtract 15 from each side. Subtract
Shopping
15
cart.
from each side. I am left with 2x is greater than 5. Hey, they're trying to learn here.
I don't think Miss Newsom should be here. She's a distraction.
But my
To
daughter can
you.
be here.
Yes.
Reagan's not a distraction.
She's super sweet.
X is greater than 5 over 2, which is definitely, how many whole numbers do we have in there? 2 and 1 half.
Now that doesn't make any sense to me though. Hold on. My answer, my solution is x is greater than 2.5. But the question says, how many class periods will it take?
So it wants to know actual class periods. Is
Right.
it after that second class period, is she going to have eaten more goldfish than me?
It's gonna have to be at what period? At
No,
second
it's gonna
period, or
be
there's no such thing as 2.5
Third
periods?
period. So X is actually greater than 3.
Very good.
That was
Is that
supposed
a 3?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be a 3. Okay. Here we go.
Okay, our little guest star is reading. She's a reading star. So Reagan read 4 chapters each week, plus an additional chapter. Scarlett read 3 chapters each week, plus an additional 3 chapters. Scarlett's a genius, isn't she?
She's
She
3 and
is
she can-
3
she's
and she can
reading
read chapter
chapters.
books.
Yep, that's right.
Woo. When will they have read the same amount of chapters?
Okay, is this an inequality or an equation?
It's an equation because it says when will they have the same amount.
Same.
So
Awesome.
equals,
Equals.
not unequal.
Unequal.
Remember that video
Yes, I
last
do.
time?
Yep.
Equal, equal.
And equal.
It is equal. So we have 4 chapters each week, so 4x plus an additional chapter. Then equals Scarlett read 3 chapters each week plus an additional 3 chapters. So my equation is 4x plus 1 equals 3x plus 3.
I'm gonna do this one.
Okay, because it's all about Scarlett and Reagan.
Yep. Okay, so I'm going to do my constants first. So I'm going to subtract 1, whatever you do to one side, do to the other. This goes away. I'm left with my 4x on this side, and then I'm left with 3x plus, let's see, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and continue with that. So 4x equals 3x plus 2. Then to subtract my 3x, subtract my 3x. That's going to go away. I'm left with x equals, oh my gosh, did that really work out?
Oh, it
Very
did.
good. I was hoping
Nice.
for a fraction.
So
Okay,
in 2 weeks, they will have read the exact same amount of chapters.
awesome.
So, hey, Miss Green, I've actually had a lot of kids lately that have been like, hey, where do you guys film your videos? I kind of want to show them. Can we show them behind the scenes?
Sure. As long as
Oh, we're in Miss Green's room. Check that out. Say hi, Miss Newsom. Say Say hi, Miss Green. Okay.
Oh no, we're not, you're not gonna get away with
Oh,
this.
no. Say hi, Groves.
Hi. Anyways, that's behind the scenes of the filming of the
And
video.
instead of us
Everybody that's not
everybody
in
smile. Oh well, I'm not even.
Everybody who's not in pre-AP is gonna be so jealous that you show
Oh
them
my
behind the
gosh.
scenes.
Woohoo!